Hello dear children, today we are discussing how to write long composition. First of all, article writing. Article writing, heading article. For article writing there are three parts. First is format. Second is content, and third is expression. In the article writing, format is of 1 mark, content is of 5 marks, and expression of 4 marks. In this way, article is of 10 marks. A student must devote 15 minutes time. 15 minutes time. If he is spending more than 15 minutes time, he is likely to leave some questions asked in the board exam. Now the question is how to write an article. First of all, the format. Format includes title and writer's name. So let us suppose this is the page of your copy, inside which you are going to write an article. First of all, question number. In board exam, it is question number either 5 or 6. First of all, question number. If this is or part, then or should be written, otherwise no or, because question number 6 has options. Okay, you are free to attempt before or part. Question number, thereafter at the top, introduction of the question, article, because question number 6 may have one article or debate, article or report writing, article or speech. So you must write the introduction of the question, article. Let us suppose we are going to write an article on price hike, rise in the prices of essential commodities. This is the topic, let us suppose. How to write? First of all, heading, price hike. Heading should be as brief as possible. Heading must not be of the one word. Okay, heading means characteristics of the heading means not of one word, not of one word, heading. Second characteristic, not of sentence, not of, means there must be no sentence in the heading. It should be phrase. Phrase means 2 or more words, okay, combined together make one sentence, and it's called phrase. So let us suppose it means more than one word, and you must also follow cap. When you are writing the heading, cap, C-A-P. If there is connector, C for connector, A for article, A and the, P for preposition. If the heading of an article is of 2 or 3 words, let us suppose the words can be on saying please. On is the preposition, but it is in the beginning. It should be in the capital letter. All the letters should be capital. I am writing price hike, P capital and H capital. Okay, if there is any article A and the in between, or there is any preposition or connector, this should be in the small letters, CAP, cap. Otherwise, first letter of each word should be in the capital, or all the letters should be in capital. Choice is yours. Underline the title and leave one line blank, then underline, then writer's name. By, let us suppose it is Ram, by Ram. An introduction of the writer. Introduction, who is Ram? Head boy. Thereafter leave one line blank, then start writing. And I suggest to write the value points, though it is not required, because Shiv says beginners don't do the different things, they do the things differently. In what different way you are going to write your answer? You are not an ordinary boy, you are not an era gera nathu khera. In what way you are different from others while writing? How can your copy speak to the evaluator that this is not the copy of very ordinary boy, this is the copy of very intelligent boy? You may be intelligent, but you will not go there. Your copy will go there, and copy will speak, should speak, okay, that this is of a very good intelligent boy. This copy belongs to intelligent boy. How can your copy? It means beginners don't do the different things, they do the things differently. In what different way you are presenting yourself in the copy? Writer's name. Then I would like to suggest you value points. Box for the value point. What to write inside the value points? Causes, price hike. Don't write introduction, don't write conclusion, they are not the part. Price hike means meaning of price hike, means more price than required. And causes of, second is, okay, meaning of price hike, causes of price hike, effects of price hike, meaning of price hike, causes of price hike, effects of price hike. And if it is affecting the people, ordinary people, poor people, then what are the remedial measures? Remedial measures. And last, what your suggestion? What do you suggest? Shiv again says, if you are not the part of solution, you are the problem. You are writing the answer, you are not suggesting the way how to eradicate the problem we are in, then you are the problem. So suggest the ways how to eradicate the problem of price hike. So value points, in value points thereafter, after value points, I would suggest you to write the matching quotation, and writer's name by anybody else. Matching quotation, not mismatch quotation. You are writing on the topic of price hike, but you are writing the different quotation. If you are writing that article on Holi and you are writing the quotation of Diwali, mismatch. Matching quotation. Quotation can be price hike affects the poor people in the country by Modi. You can write because it is affecting the quotation said by somebody else, some eminent personality. Quotation. And after quotation, I would suggest you to write as many quotations as possible. They should be matching quotations, they must not be mismatched quotations. And start writing. When you think, and word limit of article writing is 200, word limit is 150 words to 200 words. 150 to 200 words means 1.5 pages of the copy or 2 pages, never more than 3 or 2.5 pages. 2.5 pages or 3 pages, never less than 1.5 pages, never more than 3 pages. It is my suggestion. And last of all, you should write continue to dot dot dot, continue to. Tester is where? Then continued from, again it is the second page, it is the first page you are writing, it is not complete, and you are writing the second page also. Then continued from, last of all, if you think whatever you want to write is complete, then write contributed by. Again Ram. And now content. Content means I've already spoken that expression format is of 1 marks, content is of 5 marks, and expression is of 4 marks. Now content means what? Content is the soul of the answer. ये आंसर की आत्मा होती है. If there is no soul, answer is useless. You shall not get marks. However, your format is correct, your expression is correct, what content is of 0 marks, you shall be awarded 0 marks in total. Content is the soul of the answer. Content wrong, whole answer is wrong. Content is right, you shall be awarded marks in the format, in the expression. If content is wrong, you shall not be awarded marks in the format as well as in the expression. So content means what? Whatever information it is from this year, content is of 5 marks. Otherwise last year content was of 4 marks and expression was of 5 marks. From this year content is of 5 marks and expression is of 4 marks. Content means what? Content means whatever information required, given or not. So in the value points, display your content. You should help the examiner. How? You should help the examiner to check your copy in the least possible time. How can you help? By writing the heading, by correcting the format, by giving the value points. Now, in what way your copy can look differently from others? You should write something differently. Ordinary students might be writing in the same way, because they will be writing heading, they will be writing writer's name, matter, everybody. But in what way you are different from others? So diagram. Diagram I'm giving you. For example, the topic is already price hike. Diagram, let us suppose you are giving the diagram A, B, C. Years 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015 and 2020. The prices, let us suppose prices of sugar we are taking, okay, per kg. Here prices of sugar per kg. Prices of sugar per kg. Per kg. In 2000, sugar was being sold at the cost of 25 rupee. 20 rupee, let us suppose 20 rupee. Okay. And in 2005, it was being sold at the cost of 25 rupee per kg. And in 2010, it was being sold at the cost of 30 rupee per kg, and in 2015 it was being sold at the cost of 35 per kg, and 2020 it was being sold at the cost of 40 rupee per kg. And this line shows price hike. This is the line of price hike. In this way, this is the non-verbal process of explaining yourself. It's a part of content. Means you could write the flow chart, diagram. Through the diagram, you could prove your point of view. Through the quotation, you are proving your point of view. You are justifying your point of view, and through the diagram, you are also justifying your point of view. Hence proved. Then you can be awarded marks out of 10. One format. Format means writer's name is there, heading is there, and content is there. 1 marks. Expression. Okay. Then content. Content means whatever information required. Required means meaning of topic given, causes, effects, remedial measures, your suggestion. Everything is there in the heading. You can see. Okay. Then 5 out of 5. 4 means some spelling mistake. Okay, maybe or may not be, but you will be able to get 3 marks out of 4, at least 3 marks. If your content is right, format is right. In this way, you shall be able to get 9 marks out of 10. If everything is right, at least 9 marks. Okay, this is the way how to write an article. Or any question? Hello, any question regarding the article writing? I again want to tell you that write the heading article, question number, okay, question and introduction of the question, heading, writer's name, value points. Value points with price hike. Value points should relate to the heading. Okay, you are writing the value points related to the heading. Okay, read the topic at least once, twice, thrice. Get lost in the topic. Then automatically you shall be inventing some effective value points. Then explain those value points and prove them through the chart, through the quotation, through anything else, a writer's name. Now you can question. I would like to suggest you one thing. Let us suppose this is the copy. You are going to write the article. Your article, is covering more than 1 page. If more than 1 page, then there should be the 2 pages. Starting from here, ending here. If you are starting here and ending at the 2nd page, okay, the examiner while evaluating your copy might have forgotten certain things you have written at the previous page. So to avoid this, display your every beauty, every part of the answer in these 2 side pages. It is advisable for you. Okay, and you can, if you want to write starting from this page, then you must write continued to. And continued to, if you don't write continued to, the examiner will award you marks here at this very page. If you want your examiner must not award marks at this very page, then write continued to. This word continued to will stop the evaluator to award marks at your very little page here. He will be going ahead, reading the other part of the another page you have ended, and he will be awarding you marks here. If marks are awarded at the 2nd page because your answer ends at the 2nd page, you shall be in the benefit. If marks are awarded at the 1st page, you shall be in the loss. Because hardly examiner go to make a change. Check is checked. He get ahead. He is in hurry. He is in most hurry. He wants to get ahead at the earliest, as early as possible. He wants to check your copy because his only motto is to make money. In CBSE, each copy is costing 30 rupees. Okay, so he wants to check as many copies as possible in the least possible times. So your copy must help him, okay, regarding these marks. If your copy is not helping him, okay, you shall be in the loss. So help the examiner to check your copy in the least possible time. In the least possible time, the examiner must know the correct format, correct content, and the correct expression. Thank you very much.
कोरोना वायरस से अपनी पढ़ाई को संक्रमित न होने दें। जुड़े हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से।